Every year, 650,000 people suffer shoulder injuries in the United States alone, and millions more around the world. They are painful injuries that limit the enjoyment of life for an indefinite period of time, if not treated in time. These types of injuries can occur during exercise, work, accidents, or over time. The need for surgery for these injuries exceeds 30 million cases per year, globally. Unfortunately, a quarter of these will be re-tear due to the technology of the repair device, which is old, obsolete, risky and slow to recover. But what if there is a better way? Introducing Zip-E, an innovative technology cleared by COFPRIS and FDA for the repair of tendon detachments and tears. With an advanced method of bioresorbable buttons that increase safety and surface contact. Zip-E allows the tendon to recover in its original position in less time and with better surgical results. Zip-E allows the surgeon to perform the tendon repair in an agile and simple way, facilitating the patient's tendon regeneration and remodeling the tissue completely. Through its innovative bioresorbable technology for your safety. Zip-E performance is far superior to traditional sutures because the tension force is evenly distributed throughout the bioresorbable buttons. It is a technology free of surgical knots with a competitive advantage in the market and projecting a sustainable growth of the product. Zip-E has been tested in biocompatibility tests, mechanical tests, has innovation awards, international patents, is approved for human use, has 0 complaints in more than 400 surgeries, allows rapid recovery, and is clinically stronger. In a $19 billion global market. Welcome to this $3.8 billion business opportunity. Yes, it's real. Join the revolution. Invest in Zip-E and help us change the tendon repair technology to avoid repeat surgery and improving people quality of life.